Hello my friend, next time you go to Dollar Tree, get two of the blade placement, so you can do a vintage pillow. I choose this Santa one and the other red one to make a good gorgeous piece to my decor collection. Just I used the hot glue to glue both of them together. You can use uh, the other glue for fabric, or you can do it like me with hot glue. It works well, it doesn't get opened again, and just stuff them after that with an old pillow you have, or put another pillow inside it, or get the stuffing for the pillows from Walmart. It's cheaper there. It's gorgeous piece, easy to make. It doesn't take like 10 minutes to do it, and voila, you have two decorative pillows on a cheap, just like $2.50 from Dollar Tree now, because it's $1.25, and it's the easiest pillow decoration you can make without having to spend a lot of money buying one. And it's big, it's not small like the ones that Dollar Tree already sells them at the seasonal time like that. So it's gorgeous piece, definitely a buyer to get it every year with different patterns and colors and seams like that, to have a great collection in your home. I hope you like my idea, and don't forget to follow me and like the video.